This is how easily you can clean a burnt oven. No scrubbing, no effort. Ever since I discovered this trick, I can't imagine cleaning my oven any other way. All you need is one gel dishwasher tablet. Place it in an oven-safe dish and pour in about 4 cups of boiling water. Put the dish in the oven, set the temperature to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and close the door. Now just wait 1 hour. The steam from the hot water and tablet spreads through the oven, softening burnt-on grease and food. The active ingredients in the tablet cut through grease, dissolve grime, and clean the surface thoroughly. After an hour, open the oven and wipe the inside with a damp sponge. Even tough burnt residue comes off easily, like it was pulled off with a magnet. No scrubbing, no harsh chemicals, no hassle. Try this trick and watch your oven shine. You'll save time, stress, and money, and the result will truly surprise you. Aluminum foil will clean your oven. If your oven is heavily burnt, this trick will definitely come in handy. Take a dishwasher tablet, as it contains many active substances that effectively handle grease and stains. Prepare a small bowl and place the tablet in it. Add 200 milliliters of warm water. Stir the mixture and let it dissolve. Apply the prepared mixture to the dirty walls of the oven using a sponge. Soak the sponge generously and squeeze it over the burnt food. Next, use aluminum foil. Simply tear off a few pieces and cover the surfaces you previously treated with the tablet solution. If the oven walls are dirty, the foil will hold the substance in place and prevent it from dripping. Leave the prepared oven for 2 hours. During this time, the active ingredients will dissolve the dirt, and you won't have to lift a finger. After this time, simply remove the foil and roll it into a ball. Then lightly rub the inside of the oven. The surface of the foil will lift off the remaining burnt food without scrubbing. You can immediately see how everything comes off beautifully. Finally, wipe everything down with a paper towel or dry cloth, and you're done. The oven shines and looks like new. Place the stones on a baking tray and put them in the oven. This trick will change the rest of your life. Heated stones could become the most important thing you'll discover this year. So next time you're on a walk, at your cottage, or in a field with a farmer friend, gather a basket of stones, from small to medium-sized ones. You'll find them everywhere on any field. They are literally everywhere and very valuable. Take them home and rinse them off. No need to scrub them, but you can get rid of most of the dirt. Then take a baking tray and lay a dark towel, cloth, or gauze diaper on it. Place the gathered stones on the tray. Arrange them however you like. We gathered stones from the field. I don't collect stones from rivers or lakes for this trick. Put the tray in the oven and heat the stones. They should be warm, not hot. Lay a towel on the floor or carpet and place the tray of stones on it. This becomes a portable mat. Take off your socks and step onto the stones. Walk on them for a few minutes to start. Then gradually increase the time to several minutes each day. Walking on warm stones helps cleanse your body and stimulates the receptors of all your vital organs. With time, stepping on stones will get easier, and your body will become healthier. Your body will be triggered to self-heal. This is one of the few methods that are simple yet effective for the whole body. People with joint pain will start walking again. They will feel a surge of energy and regain their health. Cut your dishwasher tablet in half. There's a very good reason to do this, though the manufacturer won't tell you. You've probably run the dishwasher when it seemed full, but have you noticed it's not always fully loaded? Your dishes and kitchenware come in different sizes, and some take up much more space. That's why it makes sense to have dishwasher tablets in different sizes. It's not only a money saver, but also proof that in most cases, half a tablet is enough for one wash. So, grab a sharp knife and cut the tablet in half. Place one half in the detergent compartment and start the dishwasher. You'll never have to use a full tablet for one cycle again, especially when washing large pots and pans that take up space, but don't require a lot of detergent to get clean. That's reason enough to start cutting your dishwasher tablets in half. Not only will you save money, but you'll also reduce the amount of detergent used, which is better for the environment. The simplest way to a clean oven. From now on, your oven will always shine like new. Just try this simple trick. It works every time. Prepare an oven-proof dish and place it in the oven. Pour half a liter of water into it. Then squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into the water. After that, squeeze another lemon. Put the lemon peels into the dish with the water in the oven as well. Set the oven temperature to 150 degrees Celsius. Turn the oven on for an hour. After that time, slightly open the oven door. Wait a moment for the oven to cool down a bit. Dip a clean cloth into the dish with the lemon water. Gently wring it out and wipe the inside of the oven, removing all the dirt. Thanks to the heat and the lemon's ingredients, the grime will come off easily. With this simple trick, your oven will sparkle without using any chemicals. I use this trick in my daily life. See the results. The oven has never been so clean. A technician once recommended that I run my dishwasher this way once a month. This method effectively cleans the dishwasher of all dirt and odors, refreshing it without any scrubbing. If your dishwasher emits an unpleasant smell after every cycle, it's time to try this method. When you open the dishwasher, it appears clean and even shiny. So, where does the bad smell come from? Food residues accumulate in the filter. Just unscrew it, and you'll see how much dirt is there. Despite using the best dishwasher tablets, they can't remove all the grime. Over time, this results in a bad odor emanating from the dishwasher. Fortunately, the technician who installed my dishwasher recommended a simple solution. Prepare a bowl and place it in the dishwasher. Pour vinegar into the bowl. It's best to use the largest bowl that will fit to add more vinegar. Sprinkle baking soda over the bottom of the dishwasher. Do not put any other items in the dishwasher. Run it on a hot cycle and that's it. As the cycle starts, water will flush the vinegar from the bowl, and it will clean the entire dishwasher. The baking soda will also contribute to cleaning the interior. Use this method once a month and your dishwasher will always be clean and fresh. This is how you clean oven trays. If your trays are heavily burned, this trick will definitely help. For a quick and easy clean, grab some aluminum foil, tear off a piece and crumple it into a ball. Next, take a lemon and squeeze the juice directly onto the tray. Lemon juice has a whitening effect and helps dissolve grease. Then, sprinkle baking soda over the surface. Baking soda effectively removes stains due to its abrasive properties. You'll notice the mixture start to foam. Now, gently scrub the surface using the aluminum foil ball. It will help lift off burned food residues. Finally, wipe everything down with a paper towel, and you're done. Your oven tray will shine and look like new. Lemon juice and baking soda make the perfect natural cleaning solution for tough stains, especially on baking trays. This mixture not only removes burnt-on grime, but also neutralizes unpleasant odors.